All right, so here comes the answer to challenge 1. If you've already completed challenge 1 and you just want to see how it's done, then continue watching the video. If you've gone through all of the hints and you're still stuck and you really don't know what to do, then also keep playing and I'll show you the answer. But if you still want to keep trying, then pause the video before I reveal the answer. All right, here we go. So inside our home.ejs, we're going to create that h1 that just says home. And then we're going to go into our app.js, which is our server code, to try and render that page. And the route that we're going to target is going to be the home route. So we're going to say app.get, and we're going to target the home route or the root route. That's the one that's just the /. And then we're going to put in a callback function with our rec and res as per usual. And then inside this function is where we're going to render our home.ejs. And if you remember, the method for that using Express is res.render, and then we specify what it is that we want to render. And remember, the page that we want to render has to be something.ejs, and it has to be inside a folder called views in the root of our main project folder, in the same hierarchical level as our app.js. Now the page that we want to render in this case is home.ejs, so all we have to specify is the string home inside a set of quotation marks. And then we'll close everything off with some semicolons. So now if we hit save and we make sure that we're inside our EJS-challenge folder, then we're going to use nodemon to start our app.js and run our server. So server started on port 3000. I'm going to head over to localhost 3000, and this is how we achieve the goal for challenge 1. Now, if you managed to get here without needing any of the hints, then that's a huge pat on the back and a gold star for you. Now, if you needed to have a look at a few of the hints, then that's fine as well. See if in the coming challenges you can reduce the number of hints you need and rely more on Stack Overflow or Google to achieve what it is that you want instead of looking at the hints or the answers. And only use them when you're well and truly stuck and you can't move forwards without watching a hint or two. So that's all for challenge 1. In the next video, we're going to head over to the next challenge.